Now we shall ask for or give advice. Exercise number 1, page 94. Listen and repeat.
What's wrong, Rita? What should I do? Why don't you run around the park? What else can I do? That's a good idea.
Exercise 2. The sentences below are from a dialogue between two friends. What is the dialogue about?
The dialogue is about a girl who wants to play in the school basketball team. She asks her friend for advice on how to improve her level of fitness.
Now open your vocabularies and write down the new words.
Coach, fizzy drink, improve, level of fitness, make sure, run, take somebody's advice.
Listen to the dialogue and read it.
What's wrong, Rita?
I want to play on the school basketball team, but the coach says I have to improve my level of fitness first. What should I do?
Why don't you run around the park? I often go there.
That's a good idea.
You should also eat lots of fruit and vegetables and drink plenty of water. And make sure you avoid snacks and fizzy drinks. They're no good for you.
Thanks for the advice, Diana.
What is Rita's problem? What is Diana's advice? Look at the phrases for asking for advice. Could you give me some advice? What's your advice? What can I do? What do you think I should do? How about giving advice? If I were you, I'd. Why don't you? You should, must. It's a good idea too. Exercise 4. Find sentences in the dialogue which mean what's the matter? In the dialogue it is what's wrong? Could you give me some advice? In the dialogue it's what should I do? Thank you so much. Thanks for advice. Now, read the dialogue aloud. In exercise 6, you are to make a dialogue similar to the one below. One student wants to lose some weight and asks his friend for some advice. And the second advises his friend. For example, cut down on junk food. Exercise, have a healthy diet. Listen to the dialogue.
What's wrong, Aisha?
I want to lose some weight so I can join the hockey team. Could you give me some advice?
There are lots of things you can do. If I were you, I would join an aerobics class. I do one 3 times a week and it's so much fun. Why don't you come with me?
That's a great idea. I'll come with you next time you go.
It's also a good idea to watch what you eat. Why don't you cut down on junk food and fizzy drinks? They're no good for you. Make sure you eat lots of fruit and vegetables, and then you won't be hungry.
Thanks for the advice, Farida. It was really helpful.
Your home task is to make a similar dialogue.